I think about this AI as my personal product manager.
This is Builder Residence Episode 1, The Best Ways to Prompt on Emergent, featuring Don McCann.
My name is Don. So I build things with AI. I've been vibe coding for a while now, about 4 months. So I've built lots of different things. Let me show you my process. And it actually starts before I even open Emergent. I start off using another AI tool. I'm using Google Gemini. You give it a prompt. Generally what I'm doing here is I separate the AI. I think about this AI as my personal product manager. So I have a conversation with this to sort of have a little bit of vibing back and forth until I get a prompt that's going to work in Emergent. After I've built this, I can review it and say, oh yeah, all of this looks really good. Click the chat, a modern design checklist. Why am I doing this? First and foremost, it's free. So I'm not using any of my Emergent credits to do this. You've got your first hack, which means the build goes faster and the result is better. There's my prompts. So I can basically copy paste this directly into Emergent. And I've already got my Emergent tab open here. So essentially paste it in and hit go.